What's your dog's name?
Daisy.
What kind of dog is she?
Pure feral beast. She's
Pure feral beast.
a terrier.
How old is she?
She's 8.
Her. Her. Okay, ready? Wait, sit. So what is Daisy like? Her personality? Any funny things or?
Crazy. My favorite thing about her is when I sneeze, she comes running in. She's not the cuddliest, but when I sneeze, she comes.
She's
goes
like,
around.
she's concerned.
Yes.
How did she get her name?
I have like 5 minutes to choose the names.
Like you were at a shelter?
They
How did it work?
called me to say like if you want to come get her now.
What shelter is she from? Or
Social tea.
Social Teas. How did you discover her?
Instagram. She was on live with Regis and Kelly.
She was.
She was called Paris originally.
So now she's Daisy, and it's a very pretty name. She's a beautiful dog. She really is a one of a kind, right?